In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an expense report by customer in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're an accountant trying to keep impeccable records or a business owner aiming to manage your cash flow better, understanding how to create detailed reports is essential. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once there, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all the important features and data that QuickBooks offers. Make sure you're selecting the correct option by choosing QuickBooks Online. This ensures that you're accessing the right platform for your needs. Now, type in your credentials. It's crucial to double check that you're entering the correct username and password. Once satisfied, continue by clicking the respective button. This will take you to your personalized QuickBooks dashboard where the real magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the settings icon, which is usually found in the top right corner. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Account and Settings. This section is vital as it allows you to tailor QuickBooks to meet the specific accounting requirements of your business. Within the Account and Settings menu, navigate over to the Expenses tab. Click on it. This tab houses all the features related to managing and tracking your business expenditures, which is precisely what we need for generating a report by customer. Next, click on Bills and Expenses. This section gives you the tools necessary to manage the various bills and costs associated with running your business. A critical feature we need to enable is Track Expenses and Items by Customer. Go ahead and toggle this setting on. By doing so, you're allowing QuickBooks to categorize your expenses by each customer, making it easier to generate a detailed expense report. Lastly, after you've turned on the expense tracking by customer, make sure to save your changes. There should be a save button somewhere on the screen. Clicking this ensures that all the preferences you've set are updated in your QuickBooks system. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to generate comprehensive expense reports by customer in QuickBooks Online. This functionality can provide valuable insights into which customers are costing the most in terms of expenses, helping you make informed decisions about your business operations. Remember, thorough bookkeeping is not just about recording transactions, but also about being able to analyze and utilize the data to improve your financial strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more tips and tricks on managing your business with QuickBooks.